You called out his name. He answered with his bat. Now we are calling out to you. You answer with your memories. All you Sachin fans out there, send us your favorite moment you've shot of him or any video related to him. Home videos, fan videos, selfie videos, in the stadium, on the streets. Fans celebrating or cheering for him. Anywhere, any place in the world, winners will have their footage featured in his movie. And a chance to meet the legend himself.
Digibank.